Good evening, dignitaries. Today I am here to present a demo session on mastering prompt engineering. And before starting the session, I would like to thank First Mentor Company to give this wonderful opportunity. Before starting the demo, I would just like to give a brief intro about myself. I am Krishna Satvik and I am a student at University of Hyderabad. I am currently pursuing integrated masters in computer science i- in University of Hyderabad, and I have hands-on experience on designing different projects on prompt engineering using ChatGPT. I have also designed a AI video editor which will take text and style, audio and some other parameters and will generate video for you. I wanted to show this to you, but as I made it for another company, I am unable to show that. Nevertheless, I have also done another interesting project which will I demonstrate at the end of the session. Now let's start our demo. Now we will start this session with a simple question like what is prompt engineering? To make it even simpler, I will make this question as what is prompting? I guess everybody will do this. Prompting means just giving the text to AI models to guide them to give desired output. But I guess many of us will not get desired output in one go. Now prompt engineering comes into the class. Prompt engineering is nothing but the art of crafting effective prompts to guide AI models in generating desired outputs. Means, for suppose if you have given a prompt to ChatGPT that give me a AI bot using C program, then it can't give AI bot code even in one go. We have to give iterative prompts in multiple ways. Like, I want this function is not working, what to do, and it will guide us and it will tune to us prompting. That is called a desired prompting. And in further slides, I am going to show how it works. Now we will understand the importance of prompt engineering. Why should we learn it? Many people can think like this. Everyone have ChatGPT and everyone is giving prompts and producing output. I can't say desired. As I said, prompting and prompt engineering both are different. The If you learn prompt engineering, you can improve AI response accuracy by carefully designing prompts. How we will get it? By gaining experience and by giving more and more prompts, you can understand the AI understanding, and you and AI and can become best friends. And next point is reduces ambiguity, because you and your AI have some misinterpretations. Like for suppose you are thinking of designing a website, like you have something in your mind, like you have some requirements. The CSS should be something like this, and your functionality should be like this. And you give the text, and AI may not produce the desired output of what you think. It can't sometimes cannot uh, based on your text it cannot understand your what we say the thinking and cannot meet your expectations. So giving effective prompts like giving in bullet points something like this and step by step, you can reduce ambiguity and misinterpretation between you and your AI and enhances productivity in AI applications. For suppose if you are planning to design a website, it may take 1 week to 10 days. Based on your knowledge and skills, it may take up to 1 month too. But if you learn prompt engineering, I can promise you that you can uh, design a website in 3 to 4 days with all your requirements achieved. A slight introduction on key techniques in prompt engineering. The first one is specificity. Now, in this, we have to give clear instructions to your chat GPT about what are your specifications and what are your requirements. And I have produced an example also in this PPT. And next is iteration. I think in one go, you can't get your desired output. Then you have to give some different structure or context or different wording in different ways. In you should try to give gets you a desired output. How we can do that? We can learn further in this course. And next, it is contextualization, means giving some context to AI. Like if your specifications are not met at the one go, then in the contextualization way, we can try to get to giving some necessary framework and giving some hints. You can generate that output. And structuring, something like if you give in some bullet points and you can guide that, like first read step by step and then understand, then code. You can give that instructions to AI to get your structured outputs. And next, constraints is nothing but giving boundaries, something like that. Like if you ask what are the renewable energy sources, something like that, it will give some 10, 15. You can ask something like I want only top three advantages of renewable energy sources, something like that you can ask, and it will give some effective prompting. And I will give a demo for this. Now I am giving a file, like something like a code file. Where is it? Let's say this file, and I ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed report on this code. This is a basic prompt I can give, and here it is generating a detailed report. And this is a very basic prompt. And it's a very detailed prompt. Now I will give something like this. Now I don't know any of the programming language. I am not a I am not from technical background. So keep this my mind in mind and project and give report. In this is a iterative approach. I am giving different approach so that any non-technical background people also have to understand this code. See, it is not giving any technical libraries like Python things. It's just giving the verbal things so that everyone can understand this. So I will just structure it. Something like give the report in bullet points and should be understand by everyone. See, this is also the different approach. It is giving everything in bulleting. I can't say I can say it is a constraint, but it's also a structuring thing. See, the code have given detailed report uh, which can be understood by non-technical background also. Then I will put some constraint to restrict it. Now produce the report in 10 to 15 lines. It should, let's say, the report should not exceed it. Now you can see it produces the given code in 10 lines. Means we are constraining it, and in different approaches we got the different answers which is improvised. In this way we can do prompt engineering. Nevertheless, I have said that I have promised you that I will show my project I have done using prompt engineering. This is the project, and when I run it, something like I can run it on. This is my project. I have done front end, back end, everything using prompt engineering and chat gpt. Now what this will do is it will take website title and it will say some description, and it will generate a website, beautiful website. This is the first stage of this project, and I am working on second stage, so I am able to show only the first stage. Something like can enter the website title like Flipkart. It is a basic prompt. I am giving basic prompt just to understand. Mm, generate a e-commerce website. I know the spelling is wrong, but AI can correct it. I just made intentionally wrong. When I click generate website, it will save this in the backend and send the request to OpenAI. Then it will send us the HTML page, and it will deploy it to Netlify, and we will get the link in this website. As it should happen in process, it will take some time. The wait is almost over. It is in the state of deploying. Yeah, I think it's over. Now we can see the Flipkart grocery website. It's a basic website. We can update it with different prompts. The next project is the level 2 of project is something like this. It will enhance your website because it will give the design website to again to the AI, and it will ask for some modifications, and it will do some code snippets, pasting in it, and getting your enhanced website. Thank you, respected dignitaries, for patiently listening to my demo. I am once again thankful for First Mentor Company to give this opportunity, and I am looking forward to work with you. Thank you so much.